All right. Part three of the question relates to the child's attention when you're doing nonverbal imitation. So there are times when the child looks away when imitating the action. And so what they want to know is like, oh, in this case, should I get the child's attention back before I start giving them the instruction? So in this case, they want to know like, oh, okay, if do I need to tap on the table or put something in front of the child's eyes to get their attention? All right. Okay. So the thing is that they a lot of kids with autism, they actually have very strong peripheral vision. Their peripheral vision is actually stronger than their central vision, which means that, oh, they can see stuff from the corner of their eyes really, really well. So for me, here it depends, right? Like if the child is getting it wrong because they're not paying attention to you, then you need to make sure that they're looking at you or looking toward your direction before you get started. However, if they're looking away, but they're able to copy any action that you ask them to do, then I wouldn't worry about it as much. Now, myself, I don't like the look at me or the tapping on the table because what happens, like the child knows what you want them to do, and then it might devolve into more of a power struggle in terms of getting them to do it. So instead, generally, like I like waiting them out. I sit them in front of me. I don't let them play with things. They just have to sit there, and then I wait until their eyes kind of turn to more my direction before I give the instruction to them. Now, the other thing I might do is I would let natural consequences alter their behavior, meaning like I'll tell them to do an action, they don't look, they produce the wrong action, I tell them no, then I might have a consequence when they get it wrong so that that consequence is going to motivate them the next time to pay attention to you.